We are up to a $9,000 market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, confirm, and bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, dang, $8,747 is what we received. Look at the screen, $5.3 million in my phantom wallet. While everyone else is stuck losing money, trading in the trenches, I built this by switching sides. I stopped buying and started creating. All right, guys, we are on Photon right now. As you can see, when we choose Pump.Fun to the filters, and look, hundreds of new coins are being created literally every second. That's really bad because no one will be able to see our coin among these hundreds of newly created coins. Pump.Fun is very saturated these days and it doesn't really work anymore. On the other hand, if we come to the filters and choose Radium, you will see that only a few coins are being created every minute. That's really good because compared to Pump.Fun, we have much higher chance of creating a successful coin. Now, most people do not lose money in meme coins because they're just bad at trading. They lose because they only trade and do not move on to better strategies. They just buy into coins, right? Hoping for a quick pump. But the complete opposite happens. They get completely liquidated by the fucking dev of the coin, which means the person who created the coin dumps on them and takes all the money of everyone. Now, the truth is that in 2026, bro, deving meme coins has become way more profitable, way safer than trading. Launching coins costs nothing. It costs $0 to make coins. So I would highly recommend starting deving, launching coins, waiting for people to buy in, and then dumping it for profits, and then rinse and repeat that method over and over again. Now, when you launch your own coin, bro, you become the one in control of your own coin, which means you decide what you want to do. Do you want to clip profits or do you want to just dump it directly and move on to the other coin? It's up to you. And in this video, bro, I will be exposing the whole strategy, okay? I will do a live example. I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to dev meme coins professionally. All in this video, bro. Keep watching. It's gonna be fucking insane. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. Look, I'm moving away from Pump.Fun because it's just too saturated right now. Coins are dropping every second, but I'm launching on Radium to actually get eyes on the project and hit a real market cap. I'm using launchmeme.fun because every coin there hits Radium instantly. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this site. Now, you can build from scratch or use my other method. If you're going from scratch, just hop on X, find a narrative that's trending and bring it back here. Pick a name, a ticker, and an image, and you're live. It's that simple. But honestly, I'm all about this second method, copying trending coins. Every coin you see on this tab already has a narrative that works. They're going viral and pulling massive volume on Pump.Fun. The play here is to bridge that viral narrative over to Radium. You're essentially capturing a wave of buyers and conversions because the hype is already proven. Let's run a live example so you can see exactly how much this method pulls in. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and find a target. I'm going with this Jelly My Jelly coin. Looks solid, and you can see that the market cap is fucking insane now. Quick, copy to Radium right here. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launch pad at the beginning, you'll see a warning, ignore it. It's completely normal. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirmed. Give it a second to load. And boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan. And yeah, we're live on chain 11 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click create liquidity pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Radium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of sold to pair, That is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your soul for some supplies to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 sold, then click on create pool, and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, my jelly coin is now officially created and lives on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 125 bucks, which is a 369% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to Pump.Fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 Sol option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Jelly. Select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, click confirm, and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready, let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 2,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro, more people are buying in. I think we're up like $6,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane if the meme is hot, and if you use the right tool for meme coin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. All right, guys, I am back in bang, bro. We are up to a $9,000 market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now, I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launch Memecoin and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, grow 8K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video right now. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm, and bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, dang, $8,747 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. I'm giving away 1 Sol to 10 selected winners to help cover early development expenses and kickstart their journey. How to enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment below.